Hey guys, I have been using POCO M3 Pro smartphone for the second day now, and so far everything is good. In this video I want to test the performance of the new phone. If you missed, we have posted unboxing and first look video of POCO M3 Pro yesterday. You can watch it by the link in description. I want to recall you that I have version with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. There is Dimensity 700 chipset inside the smartphone. So let's start a performance test with benchmarks. You know, the Dimensity 700 chipset was announced almost a year ago, so it is pretty fresh processor. The new Xiaomi smartphone has 221,000 points in AnTuTu. I think it is pretty good result for a budget phone. In the next benchmark, Geekbench 5, POCO M3 Pro has 543 points in single-core test and 1,707 points in multi-core test. 3D Mark recommends to launch Wild Live test. The overall score in this test is at 1,105 points. POCO M3 Pro supports 5G networks, but I don't have them in my country yet. However, I can still use 4G LTE bands. The smartphone also doesn't have any problems with GPS and Wi-Fi. I chose some of the heaviest games to test the performance of POCO M3 Pro, such as Genshin Impact, PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, and Call of Duty Mobile. Let's play a little of each game. Actually, I played each game for about 30 minutes, but I am only showing you small fragments. Don't call me a noob in the comments, because I don't often play mobile games. You know, most Android games are optimized for different smartphones, so you can play Call of Duty Mobile on a mobile device under $100. However, ultra-budget phones don't run Genshin Impact. You can play it comfortably on POCO M3 Pro. Xiaomi smartphone also didn't warm up much after 30 minutes of playing this game. That's very good. In general, POCO M3 Pro is suitable for games because it has good performance, a big Full HD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. However, I would like to have a stereo sound, but you can connect the wireless earbuds such as Lenovo XT92. We have posted the video about them today. The price of these earbuds is only $13. Thank you for watching. The next video about POCO M3 Pro will be camera test. Stay tuned.